we have time, then I will request our President-elect to give a response to Justice Amanulah's speech and uh, elucidate us with the inaugural session.
Thank you. I had in fact said that it will only be repetition of what my Lord has said. The question is today of the Constitution and the rule of law for which the convention is being held. We thank you for giving us all this, that how we have to go forward. Bar Association of India is committed not to take this forward. Your words will carry weight with us and all participants in these the two-day sessions that we have. The fact of the matter would remain that we have seen, as your Lordship has rightly pointed out, that even in this subcontinent, Constitution is there, but hardly anybody implements it. But we need to implement our law. We need to implement it to be fair to the citizens, and we would do that certainly for capacity building itself, as Prashant has rightly said, this rule of law convention is. Because if we are able to reach out to our lawyer friends, what are the new things that have come in these amendments, how they have to be interpreted, but ultimately, of course, the last laugh would be by the court. But at least we must build our capacity. And who could be better than learning from Mr. Nariman how we have to put, Mr. Subhash just told us that he said you have a hopeless case, you have nothing to it, and yet ultimately succeeded. That's where we need to articulate ourselves. We need to build our capacity. And I think that's the time, looking at it, that we are here today, the inaugural by an honorable judge with us, despite shortage of time and despite the fact that my Lord, I'm sure, must be fasting, that he's here with us itself is a point for us to understand that we as lawyers, bar and bench together, I can personally tell you, if bar and bench was to join hands together, you can move mountains with it without any hesitation. And we thank you, sir, for being here with us. I would not take your time, but to request you that continue to be with us, guide us in all our efforts so that we continue with more. Thank you.